Has your back pain been holding you back from enjoying life? Well, don't worry. McCaslin Chiropractic's newest offer will have you feeling better in no time. It's an incredible savings on our amazing chiropractic adjustment service, including an exam and consultation just for you. Call or click to get on the path to relief and get back to feeling like yourself again. Our patients are thrilled with our 5-star service and elite 5-star experience. So take advantage of this exclusive offer. Click now or call us for more information and get back to enjoying your life again.